Incoming device is Samsung Galaxy Tab A, but its model number and designation is SMT580. The rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The front camera does not appear obstructed by any cracks. Taking a look at the power button, volume buttons, home button, menu button, back button, all give smooth feedback. The rear camera, front camera both have clear images, so 100% is I'm not sure the carrier of this device, no carrier designation, but taking a look at the upper left hand corner of the display, just a little bit of dirt on it, a few scratches on the LCD of the device, nothing too major. It does pass a 6-point random digitizer test.